Okay, run it some more back towards me.
And then I can also turn up the speed.
Okay.
So we have speed.
Okay.
That way it's starting to feed slowly, you see the handle turning.
Yep. You do much threading on it?
No, we usually do the threading over there because we don't have to thread a lot of the big stuff.
Okay.
Although it doesn't have the capability of it.
So here you're just turning stuff to diameter.
Yeah, it turns up to diameter. Boring holes, we got a boring bar.
Okay.
Goes on to it. The maximum is 42 inches.
Okay. Can you move the cross? There we go. That's what I wanted to see. I just wanted to make sure.
Obviously, you can do the manual, or you can use the DRO.
Okay.
Tailstock. Just kick this way,
Yeah.
that way, and out.
Run it all the way out if you can. I'm going to measure it, that's why I'm asking you to do that.
Yeah, I'm not sure how far it goes out, so.
Yeah, it's probably getting to the max there. It's probably 8 inches, 10 inches at the most. That's good. Just
The other way.
okay. Is that max speed it's at, or can you run it faster?
I'll run it faster.
Okay.